Over 400 million cans of Pringles are sold every year. But how do they go from humble potatoes to perfectly stacked chips in their cans? Join us as we take a look inside a Pringles factory where each step, from mixing and shaping to frying and flavoring, comes together. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more behind-the-scenes looks at how your favorite products are made. Now let's get started. History of Pringles. Pringles' story began in 1968 when Alexander Lipa, an innovative engineer at Procter & Gamble, set out to solve a common snack problem: greasy, broken chips in half-empty bags filled with air. The solution? A chip unlike any other, perfectly stackable, with a distinctive saddle shape. This design wasn't just for show, it allowed the chips to be neatly packed in a cylindrical tube, minimizing breakage and maximizing the number of chips per package. But why was this important? Before Pringles, the average potato chip bag contained up to 65% air. The cylindrical packaging became an icon in itself, a space-efficient design that also protected the chips from the harsh elements of transportation. More than 50 years after their invention, Pringles is present in over 140 countries and continues to be one of America's famous snacks. Harvesting potatoes. Potatoes are sourced from selected suppliers who must adhere to specific standards. For instance, the potatoes are required to be of a particular size, typically between 2.5 to 3.5 inches in diameter, to maintain consistency in the production process. Surface smoothness is another critical factor. Potatoes with a smoother surface are preferred because they result in less waste during peeling and slicing. Screening and washing. Once the potatoes are harvested, they move on to the next step: screening and washing. The journey begins with an initial screening process, where the potatoes are subjected to cleaning to remove dirt, stones, and other debris. This is done using specialized machinery equipped with components resembling long brooms, which sweep away any surface dirt. These machines allow for a rapid and efficient process. After the initial cleaning, the potatoes are carefully inspected by workers. This step is significant because only potatoes that meet the high-quality standards move forward in the production process. Following this visual inspection, the potatoes are thoroughly washed in large automatic washing machines. These machines use powerful jets of water to scrub away any remaining dirt or impurities, making sure they are perfectly clean and ready for the next step in the journey to becoming Pringles. Peeling. Once the potatoes have been washed, they head to the peeling stage. The freshly cleaned potatoes enter a specialized peeling machine designed to remove every bit of skin and any remaining imperfections. The peeling process uses a combination of abrasive rollers and high-pressure steam to strip away the skin. Some machine can handle up to 6,000 pounds of potatoes per hour, making quick work of even the largest batches. After peeling, the potatoes are inspected once more to confirm they meet the company's strict quality standards. Any potato that fails this inspection is promptly removed from the line. Mixing, shaping, and frying. Once the potatoes are peeled, they move on to the mixing and shaping stage, a process that transforms them from raw potatoes into the Pringles shape. The peeled potatoes are first processed into potato flakes, which are then combined with water and cornstarch to create a unique dough mixture. The precise formula, 1/3 water and 2/3 potato flakes, provides the perfect consistency for shaping. The dough is then rolled into thin, elongated sheets, each one consistently less than 1 millimeter thick. This thickness is key as it allows for the distinctive, crisp texture. The rolled dough sheets then pass through a cutting machine that stamps out uniform oval shapes, about 2.5 inches long. This uniformity ensures that the chips are identical in size and shape, allowing for that satisfying stackability inside the can. After the dough pieces are shaped into their oval form, they move on to the frying stage. Each chip is swiftly fried in hot oil, maintained at a precise temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. The frying process lasts for only about 11 seconds, just enough time to lock in the crispy texture without absorbing too much oil. This quick frying method is essential. It not only creates that light, delicate crunch, but also preserves the unique shape of every chip. The chips are then immediately transferred to an air-blowing station, where a powerful blast of air removes any excess oil. This step helps keep each chip at a consistent weight of just around 2 grams. After frying, the Pringles chips are stacked onto saddle-shaped molds known as hyperbolic paraboloids. This unique shape ensures the chips are neatly aligned and ready for the next stage, helping them maintain their uniform size and crispy texture for perfect stacking in every can. Seasoning. As the freshly molded chips move along the production line, they enter the seasoning stage, where their flavor is brought to life. The chips are carried down a conveyor belt toward a waterfall seasoning station. Here, a precise amount of seasoning powder is sprinkled over the chips, ensuring each one receives a balance of flavor. The seasoning is applied at a steady rate, coating thousands of chips per minute to guarantee even distribution. After seasoning, Pringles chips enter a cooling phase on a slow-moving conveyor belt. This process gradually lowers their temperature to prevent condensation inside the can, which could affect the quality of the product. By cooling evenly, the chips maintain their signature crunch and are perfectly prepared for immediate packaging, ensuring the fresh texture. Packaging and distribution. After the chips have been cooled, they move to the final stage: packaging and distribution. Automated machines take over, filling each can to its precise capacity with around 90 chips. Once filled, the cans are promptly sealed with a foil top to lock in freshness, followed by the familiar plastic lid. Each can is then labeled and coded for tracking purposes, guaranteeing that every can meets quality standards before it leaves the factory. The sealed cans are grouped and organized onto pallets, efficiently packed for storage and transport. Competitors. In the global market for stackable potato chips, 2 brands stand out as leaders: Pringles, owned by Kellogg's, and Lay's Stacks, owned by PepsiCo. Both have carved out substantial market share and are locked in fierce competition for dominance. Pringles, which originated in 1968, is the undisputed leader, holding around 50% of the global market for stackable chips. Its distinctive saddle-shaped chips, unique cylindrical packaging, and wide range of flavors have made it a household name in over 140 countries. With over $3 billion in annual sales, Pringles has maintained its edge by continuously innovating, from introducing new flavors to expanding its reach in emerging markets. Lay's Stacks, launched in 2003 as a direct competitor, has aggressively pursued market share by leveraging its parent company, PepsiCo's vast distribution network and brand recognition. Stacks chips are packaged similarly to Pringles, but feature a slightly thicker, crunchier texture. While Lay's Stacks holds around 15 to 20% of the market, it has gained traction in key markets like the United States and China, where the battle for snack supremacy is particularly intense. The competition between these 2 brands revolves around flavor variety, packaging innovation, and price points. While Pringles has the advantage of being the original stackable chip brand, Lay's Stacks continues to challenge its dominance with targeted marketing campaigns, competitive pricing, and strategic flavor offerings tailored to local tastes. The rivalry keeps both brands on their toes, driving constant innovation and fueling the global appetite for stackable potato chips. And there you have it, the journey of how Pringles are made from farm to can. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more insights into how your favorite products are created. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.